Just don't know how long. Alright, so I don't know how much time I have on the camera, but I'm here at Sally's Nature Park. I did not know this was in Chippewa Township. There's a lot of different trails, so we're gonna have to come back here sometime, but today we're going to go on one of the trails. A whole bunch of wildflowers here. It's pretty cool. I don't know where to start, but I never knew this was here. This is cool. So, it's a little brisk outside. But it's not going to stop us from having fun. This is cool. Right here they have a little pavilion thing. I'm sure going this way. This is a beautiful area here. I never knew this was back here. Wow. A friend of mine told me about a place like this. He wasn't sure about the name. I think this is the name. I think this is it. Because a lot of the things he said are showing up right away. They have a little swing set here. Regardless, I can come back here anytime. Now I know where it is. I never knew this existed. Although, I don't want to be too loud because there's people over there fishing. Wow. Look at that. I don't know how well the camera is holding up on it, but that's cool. I never knew this was in Chippewa. There's a lot of algae in it, but still pretty cool. Oh. I don't know what that is. I don't want to disrupt them, so. Huh. They have a little clearing over here. Wow. I'll definitely have to come back here. Jumping bass trail. Oh wow. There's a lot of things on this trail. Can't believe all this was back here. This is cool. They have a little pyramid thing here. I don't think I would have enough time to get a lot of video footage. However, I am getting some, so there will be a full video of this. Just don't know how long. Wow. I can't believe this is actually Beaver County. I'm just shocked. This is Beaver County. It's like we're somewhere else. And this is a park I never known existed before.